In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to Dropbox from PC. We'll cover two straightforward ways using File Explorer if you have the Dropbox app installed, and using the Dropbox website if you don't. Pick the one that fits how you work, and by the end, you'll know exactly what to expect during the upload. If the Dropbox desktop app is installed on your computer, start by opening File Explorer, find the file you want to upload, then right-click it and choose Copy. In the left-hand navigation pane, click Dropbox to open your Dropbox folder. Navigate to the specific folder where you want the file to live. Inside that folder, right-click and select Paste. That's it. The copy you just pasted is now queued to sync to the cloud. Watch the sync icon that appears on the file. A blue circle with rotating arrows means it's uploading. Be patient, especially with large videos or archives. When the icon turns into a solid green checkmark, the upload is fully complete and the file is stored locally and in Dropbox. If you've set that folder to online only, you may see a small cloud icon instead. Keep your computer connected to the internet and avoid putting it to sleep until the icon shows it's done. If you don't have the app or you prefer a browser, use the website. Go to dropbox.com and sign into your account. In the top right corner, click Upload. Choose whether you're uploading files or a folder. A standard Windows window will open. Browse to the items you want, select them, and click Open to start the transfer. Look to the bottom of the page for the progress bar. You'll see the status move from uploading to complete. Keep the browser tab open and connected until you see Complete. Closing the tab or your laptop lid can pause the upload, so let it finish, especially for larger selections. For best results, wait for everything to complete before navigating away or starting another big upload. Those are the two reliable methods. Use File Explorer with the desktop app for a seamless set and forget experience, or use the website when you're on a different PC or don't want to install anything. Once you see the green check mark or the web progress bar say complete, your files are safely in Dropbox and ready on your other devices. Thanks for watching.